Angular architecture can be complex, whether it's a new AI-generated project or a massive legacy codebase. Understanding the project is often hard. For example, you asked AI to generate the Tour of Heroes app. It created 43 files in a few seconds. The code works, but the connections are hidden. You got a black box. Reading AI explanations lets you guess the architecture, but not see it. GraphLens solves this. It explores your project and draws clear visualizations. You can see how components, directives, routes, and modules are linked together. It is fully interactive. If you click on a node, it takes you directly to the source code. You also get powerful context actions. For example, reveal component in the structure view, or show it on another linked graph. See the big picture of your project. You can find GraphLens in the VS Code marketplace. Thanks for watching and happy coding.